toxic reactions, handling acids, alkalis, toxic chemicals, and poisonous gases. Handling acids, alkalis, toxic chemicals, and poisonous gases in industrial settings demands stringent safety protocols to protect workers and prevent environmental hazards. Here are comprehensive guidelines and precautions. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Workers handling acids, alkalis, and toxic chemicals must wear appropriate PPE such as rubber or PVC hand gloves, gumboots, safety goggles, and aprons to prevent skin contact and inhalation of fumes. Respiratory protection should be provided for handling poisonous gases like chlorine, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, phosgene, and phosphine. PPE should be inspected regularly for wear and tear and replaced as necessary. Training and awareness. Conduct thorough training programs for workers on the properties of acids, alkalis, toxic chemicals, and poisonous gases, safe handling procedures, emergency response protocols, and the proper use of PPE. Display prominently labeled posters showing the hazardous properties of these chemicals and safe working procedures in accessible areas of the workplace. Spill control and emergency response. Ensure spill control measures such as water showers or pipes for containment and covering up are readily available near areas where chemicals are handled. Workers should be trained in spill response procedures to minimize exposure and environmental impact. Ventilation systems. Install effective ventilation systems, including suction hoods with scrubbing arrangements to capture and remove toxic vapors, gases, or dusts from the workplace. Monitor ventilation rates according to the vapor density of the materials being handled to maintain safe working conditions. Scrubbers, absorbers, and neutralizers. Provide and maintain suitable scrubbers, absorbers, or neutralizers for inorganic gases or vapors, and condensers for organic vapors as per regulatory requirements. Ensure scrubber lines are always open. Interlock scrubber line valves with addition valves to prevent hazardous chemical additions unless the scrubber line is open. Safety equipment and controls. Install modern instrumentation and control devices such as leak detectors with alarms, auto controllers, and DCS, distributed control system, for monitoring and controlling processes. Implement interlocks, trips, and alarms to automatically shut down processes in case of emergencies or abnormal conditions. Medical surveillance and first aid. Conduct periodic medical examinations for workers exposed to hazardous chemicals to monitor health conditions and detect early signs of exposure or poisoning. Ensure first aid responders are trained to provide immediate assistance in case of chemical exposure or emergencies. Worker education and hygiene. Educate workers on the routes of chemical entry into the body, injection, inhalation, skin contact, and the importance of proper PPE usage to prevent exposure. After handling hazardous chemicals, workers should change their clothing and thoroughly wash with soap and water. Safety showers should be easily accessible. Environmental protection. Implement measures to prevent environmental contamination from spills or leaks, including containment systems and prompt cleanup procedures. Comply with environmental regulations for the safe handling, storage, and disposal of hazardous chemicals and waste materials. Continuous improvement and compliance. Foster a culture of safety by encouraging employee participation in safety programs, hazard identification, and continuous improvement initiatives. Conduct regular safety audits, inspections, and reviews to ensure compliance with safety standards and regulatory requirements. By strictly adhering to these guidelines and precautions, industries can effectively manage the risks associated with handling acids, alkalis, toxic chemicals, and poisonous gases, ensuring the safety of workers and the environment.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.